Dear Lord, I pray for our wedding today. I pray that our families and friends would continue to support us throughout the whole process. Make your Holy Spirit calm any storms and try to tear down your will for our future marriage. I pray for peace, and I pray the enemy is removed far from us. Stop any attacks he plots against us. I pray that all those who are attending our wedding would feel you near to their hearts. I pray that our wedding goes smooth with no accidents, incidents, or conflicts. Be at the center of it all, Lord, anoint us and union us husband and wife. Thank you for the wedding today as you prepared for Christ in your church. Your love story is so beautiful. I pray that anyone who witnesses our wedding and marriage will come to know you today more than ever. I pray that our hearts will always turn to you. I pray that I'm able to lead Megan, and that I'm able to understand you more. Prepare my heart as a spiritual leader of our family, and prepare her heart to follow my lead and support me. May you be glorified through our relationship, and may others draw closer to you because of what they see in us. In your name we pray, Lord. Amen.
You have been a great son to Mom and Dad, great brother to Haley and I. You are a great uncle to Aiden, and now you'll be a great husband for Megan. Amber and I both love you, and we'll always be there for anything you need.
The two of you are perfect for each other, and I'm so thankful that God brought you together.
All I gotta say is, I want to welcome Megan to our family. I could not ask for a better daughter-in-law.